Hey guys, it's Jira Bro back with another short video. I'm gonna be showing you how to generate an API key. All you have to do is you actually need to click on your avatar, you click on manage the account, then you're gonna be redirected to this page right here. You're gonna manage go to the security, this option right here that says API tokens. You click on create and manage API tokens and you click on API token, and now what you can actually specify is also when this API is going to expire. So I'm going to say API dev. I'm gonna click on create, and basically this is it. One thing to actually keep in mind in here though is when you close this window, you won't be able to actually get your API token. So what you wanna do is you can copy this API key and you want to actually store it somewhere safe. It could be on your local system. That should be the best. But once you actually close this, you won't be able to access it back. So as you can see, I cannot access this. If I also want to revoke all of the API tokens, this actually means when I click on revoke all of the API tokens, all of these tokens will actually be deleted. And that is everything that you actually need to know how you can actually generate the API token. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.